Drugs or consume any drugs not prescribed. In contact with your attorney, make laws and make sure you call. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Next case we're calling is number 65 on calendar. This is Laura Ojeda Salcedo. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Is that your true and correct name?
Yes, it is.
Your date of birth, 8th of 1989?
Yes, it is.
Thank you very much. We're charged possession of hard drugs with 2 prior convictions from February 12th of 2026. There are some public defender is appointed.
Thank you. David Medina, Deputy Public Defender, will accept the appointment on a knowledge complaint, formal reading and advisement of rights, and plea of not guilty, deny any prior, reserve all motions, invoke our client's state and federal constitutional rights, make an informal request for discovery, asking for the seized drug reports, asking for statutory dates.
Hold on just a second, ma'am, okay? Set dates as follows: February 25th, 7th in Department C57, and as to release, go right ahead.
Asking for our release on behalf of my country's factors. She's not currently savings, would not be able to post a bail. She's currently in transitional housing. She does have relatives with reliable numbers, and she would be able to get herself reported.
Okay, do people wish to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor. People have scheduled bail. And in this as a previous conviction robbery, and served 2 years and a number of violations of felony parole.
Okay, thank you. All right, court has considered both arguments of counsel, the Humphrey factors, the evidence presented, the criminal history of the defendant, the nature of the charged offenses, and court is determining that safety and defendant's appearance in court cannot reasonably be bail. By clear and convincing evidence, no non-financial or less restrictive conditions of pretrial release will be scheduled. Bail is $120,000 based on a price on Humphreys. I'm not going to order scheduled bail. Court will set bail in the amount of $2,000. Ma'am, should you post bail, you are ordered to the following terms and conditions: submit to search and seizure, disclose upon contact, do not use or authorize drugs not prescribed to you, maintain contact with your attorney, make all court appearances, and obey all laws. All right, anything I missed on that one?
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
543 4633.
Thank you. All right, next case we're calling is number 124 Maunder. This is Miss Haley Grace Adams. Good afternoon, ma'am. Is that your true and correct name?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Is your date of birth April 23rd of 1992?
Correct.
Thank you. We're here on a couple of cases. We're here for a felony arraignment. The charges are false personation, acts imposing liability, as well as a misdemeanor paraphernalia charge. That's from February 26. We're also here on a felony, fraudulently acquiring personal information of another with a prior felony. Misdemeanors are receiving stolen property, lifting, and possession of paraphernalia. That's from August 13th of 24. We're here for a probation violation as well. Public defender is appointed.
Thank you. Wayne Davis, Deputy Public Defender, will accept the appointment, acknowledge receipt of the felony complaints, waive further reading of all charges, deny any special allegations or enhancements, preserve or revoke a state and federal constitutional rights, make an informal request for discovery, order of denial of the probation violation, requesting statutory dates on the open felonies, and requesting a PVD only with a time waiver on the probation case, request to be heard on the issue for these.
All right, we'll go ahead and set to the probation violation. We'll set that along with the pretrial 7th. February 25. In Department N12, we will set the preliminary hearing February 27th. And as to release, go ahead.
Yes, sure. My client only earns about $200 a month. She lives with her grandmother in Anaheim. She has stable residence. I do understand that there was a probation violation warrant out for her arrest, but she is indigent and cannot afford that.
Okay, thank you. People wish to be heard?
Yes, Your Honor, people request a scheduled bail in this case. The defendant here has prior grand theft conviction from 2024, number of shoplifting convictions from 2017, and as well as misuse of personal information. Here, again, the charges are theft related and fraudulent use of personal information.
All right, thank you. Just 1 second, please. Right. Court has considered the criminal history of the defendant. Court is determining based on the criminal history of the defendant, nature of the charged offenses, that public appearance in court cannot reasonably be assured without the setting. By clear and convincing evidence, no non-financial or less restrictive conditions of pretrial release will achieve those goals. Court is setting bail on the probation violation and the amounts on the new felonies. I'm setting $10,000 each. This is provisional with a bail review at the next date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ma'am, there are some conditions you need to follow if you post bail. You must submit to search and seizure, disclose your release terms upon contact with law enforcement. Do not possess anyone else's information, including driver's license, social security, or account information. Do not open mail that's not yours. Maintain contact with your attorney. Make all court appearances. Obey all laws. Report to the probation within 72 hours of release. Consider the Humphreys factors and set. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am. Thank you.
We have 127 on the Zoom.
All right. Do you have your offer 127? Yes, I do. All right, the next matter that we are calling is number 127 on the matter of Juanita.
Can you check here?
No problem.
Avila. I don't think she's going to participate, Ronnie.
Okay, we can try. Miss Avila, are you there? Can you hear me? All right. I'll go ahead and appoint the public defender on this one. This is number 127.
She's just not responding, Your Honor.
She's not responding.
Would the court, on its own motion, be willing to order a 4011.6 being in Hobbs back on Friday?
Would the public defender not be inclined to accept representation?
If we hold off on that till Friday, see what the results of the report are, and the court can find cause to trail to Friday with that report.
All right. At this time, the court will suggestion. Court will order a 4011.6 report confidential, and I'll find good cause to trail all of the matters to Friday, the 20th. release. There's a 2019 misdemeanor driving without a valid driver's license and failing to obey traffic signs. Because there's a misdemeanor on there, would the people have any objection to handling?
These are Anaheim.
Oh, one of these Anaheim, thank you.
The arrest,
Do I have Anaheim present? Oh, Miss Avila, you're with us.
may I know what the arrest was for, miss? Good morning, sorry.
All right, that's okay, no problem. Let's go ahead and go back.
Okay.
Ma'am, is your true and correct name Juanita Avila?
Yes,
Thank you. Is your date of birth of 1995?
yes.
Thank you very much. All right, we're here on several. Do I have somebody from the city attorney's office present?
Tom Beasley for people.
Thank you, Mr. Beasley. All right, ma'am, we have several cases. We're here for a misdemeanor possession of paraphernalia charge from February 12th of 2026. We're here for a battery charge from July 2025, misdemeanor.
Okay,
We're here on a misdemeanor possession of paraphernalia from November of 2021. We're here on a driving without a license from February of 2020. We're here on a malicious damage of property from 2017.
okay,
And then we're here on a misdemeanor driving without a license from 2019.
okay.
You can have the public defender appointed if you want to fight your charges. You can also hear what the offer is from the people to try to resolve all of your cases today. What would you like to do?
I resolve all my cases today.
Okay. And then, just again inquiring, would anyone as a friend of the court be making any motions on some of these?
Your Honor, I'm going to move to dismiss case ANE 0034705.
Thank you.
Also moving to dismiss case 20NM 02866.
Thank you. That motion is granted. The matters are dismissed on motion of the people. Okay, so that just leaves us with the remaining cases. So as to the remaining cases, is there an offer from the people?
Yes, Your Honor, my offer is 3 years in probation, credit for time served, search terms, domestic violence terms, no contact protective order. That's in case 25NM 10738. There's also an issue of restitution. All the other cases would be credit for time served, terminal, reserve restitution.
Okay. So the case that you were offering probation, what case number?
That's 25NM 10738.
All right. At this point, appoint the public defender on.
I would ask the court to inquire whether she wants the offer. And
Okay.
if she does, then we would not be involved.
All right, Ms. Avila, were you able to hear the people's offer?
Yes, no, I'm currently not working this. I've been trying to find a job for the last couple of weeks. I
Okay.
applied to several places like Walmart, KFC's, several different places according to my last job. I worked at a Denny's, I worked at a couple of places, as a dishwasher.
Okay, hold on, ma'am, hold on. So what they're offering you is credit for time served on all of your cases except for the battery charge.
Oh, okay,
On the battery charge, he's offering you 2 years of informal probation, a no contact protective order, domestic violence, did I hear domestic violence class?
Yes, Your Honor, it'd be the 2-week class and 3 years of informal probation.
Oh, it was 3 years?
You should have a copy of the sentence run.
No.
No, sentence run should be on the paperwork.
Oh, hold on,
all right.
thank you. I'm just looking for your sentencing recommendation, I apologize. All right, so they are offering you 3 years of informal probation. Domestic violence fines and fees, no credit for time served?
Yes, Your Honor, it'd be credit for time served.
Okay. To be determined criminal protective treatment program. Is that an option you think you'd like to take, ma'am, or did you want to fight the charges and have a...
Will I be released, miss?
You're not serving any additional, beyond 3 years of informal supervision, probation.
But I released, right? Okay, I'll take the offer then.
Okay. And then counsel, just so I'm clear on all of the other cases, it was credit for time served?
credit for time served terminal and all the other
All right.
cases.
And restitution was only on the case ending in 738?
Your Honor, I'm asking for the court to reserve restitution on the 18M 09187 case as
Okay.
well.
So ma'am, on the malicious damage of property case, if you caused any property damage, you'd still have to pay that. I would reserve on restitution, okay? All right. You think you'd like to go forward and take the deal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, at this time I have to advise you of your rights. You have a right to a jury trial where 12 jurors would have to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt before you were ever convicted of any crime. You have a right to hear and see the witnesses against you, the right to cross-examination, the right to subpoena witnesses and records. You'd have a right to testify. To choose not to testify, you'd also have a right against self-incrimination. If you plead guilty, you're giving up your rights in each of those cases. Do you understand? If you are not a United States citizen, a guilty plea will result in denial of naturalization, exclusion of admission to the United States under federal law. Is it true that you possessed controlled substance paraphernalia in Orange County on February 12th of 2026?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you plead as to that charge? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Is it true that you committed battery against July 21 of 2025 within the county of Orange?
I wouldn't really remember, but yes, ma'am.
You can accept your plea unless it's voluntary intelligent.
Guilty.
Is it true you committed battery against another person on July 21 of 2025?
Guilty.
All right. As to count or case ending in 1 through 4, is it true that you possess controlled substance paraphernalia on November 29th of 2021?
Guilty.
All right, ma'am, just tell me if it's true or not true, and then I'm going to ask you how you plead, okay? Is that true or not true? And as to that charge, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
As to the matter ending in 187, is it true that you maliciously damaged real or personal property on November 8th of 2017?
True.
And as to that charge, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, you are hereby sentenced on all cases except for 738 for credit for time served. Let me see what that is here. 6 plus 6 for a total of 12. As to the matter ending in 738, the imposition of sentence is suspended for the purpose of informal probation for 3 years. You are to obey all court orders. You are to submit to search, not including electronic devices, for the day or night by any peace officer, probation officer, with or without a warrant or probable cause. Do not own, purchase, receive, possess, or have under your custody or control dangerous or deadly weapon, firearm parts in body or etc. Use your true name and date of birth times. Carry a valid government information terms upon request. Court did hear your information you provided regarding fines and are suspended pursuant to Duenas. You are to get credit for time served. 12 is one of your probation terms. You are to complete a 2-week batterers treatment program. I'm going to give you a date. You have to batterers treatment program and show proof that you enrolled by May 11th of 2026 in Department N4. Okay, so you're going to have a hearing in Department N4 on May 11th of this year at 8:30 to show up and bring proof that you have enrolled in the batterers treatment program. Otherwise, you'll be found in violation of your probation, okay? Comply with the court protective order. I'm going to go through that with you in a moment. You are to make restitution in an amount to be determined through victim witness. Victim witness within 30 days from today. So report to victim witness by March 10th of 2026. All laws and rules. All right, those are the terms of your probation. Now I'm going over your criminal protective order, okay? You're going to be served with a copy of this order. The protected person's name is listed out. This is a no contact order. You must not contact the protected person by any means. Stay at least 100 yards away from workplace and vehicle. Do not harass, annoy, follow, stalk, molest, in any way have any contact with a protected person. I haven't read every term of the protective order to you. You're going to be served with a copy. You must read it carefully and follow all rules. Any failure to new charge. All right.
Is this still the person who's damaged? What if that's where I live at home?
I can tell you the initials. The first name starts with L, starts with R.
What if that's where I live at?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear your question.
What if that's where I live at home currently?
She lives there, yeah.
I can't hear her question.
What if that's where
What if that's where you live at home currently? There's a criminal protective order in around that person. Did you want to plead guilty or does that change your mind?
Well, can I sign for it?
You can. All right. So you wish to withdraw your plea at this time?
Yes.
As to that case only or all your cases?
That one?
Okay. Stands as to all the other cases, court is retaining jurisdiction purpose of restitution. As to the matter ending in 738, court will allow defendant to withdraw her plea. I'm going to appoint public defender. We'll put it on second call. I'm going to put it on second call so you can talk to someone.
Okay.
She doesn't.
What was the one that we're?
It's the matter ending in 738, and it was this criminal.
I'll go on the private.
Case on second call, okay? All right, 43 next. The next case that we're calling is number 43 on our calendar, Anthony Luis Miller.
Yes, Your Honor. Please here.
Hello, Miller. Good afternoon, sir. Is that your turn?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is your date of birth
February 26, 1988. February 88.
Okay, thank you.
A different date of birth.
I see that.
They're both different.
Deputy, I just was showing a different date of birth here in our system. The complaint has the right date of birth, but our system has November 14th of 1985.
Yeah, it was a long time ago when I got arrested. I used my brother's birthday. That was years ago. My true birthday is 1988.
Okay,
February 26th, you're on.
1988, that's what's on there. Sir, we're here on a couple of charges of hard drug with 2 prior convictions. That's a felony from January 27th of 2026. We're also here on a felony, possessing illegal substance, possession of hard drug with 2 or more prior convictions, and a misdemeanor resisting from February 13th of 2026. Public defender is
David Medina, Deputy, will accept the appointment, receipt of the felony complaint, waive formal reading of rights, fair plea of not guilty, deny any priors, any enhancements, reserve all motions, revoke our federal constitutional rights, make an inquiry, asking for any seized drug reports, asking for also accept reappointment on the open felony, asking to read statutory dates on that matter also.
and reset dates as follows. February 27th, I'm sorry, that's wrong. 5 and February 20. Those will be in Department C57. Did you wish to be heard on release?
Just to clarify, is westerly or central?
That's a good question. I have 2 centrals as well.
Oh, it's 2 central, okay.
Okay.
357. Just with respect to release, Your Honor, the court can assume I can.
All right, thank you. People wish to be heard at all?
Yes, Your Honor, bail here.
All right.
That has a fairly lengthy criminal history. Numerous drug convictions and promise.
All right, thank you. The court is determining based on the criminal history of the defendant, nature of the charged offenses, public or victim and defendant's appearance in court cannot resolve the setting of bail. By clear and convincing evidence, no non-financial or less restrictive conditions of pretrial release will achieve those goals. Court sets bail as follows. Ending in 950, $25,000 on the matter ending at 544, $2,000. The court did review the defendant's 20-page criminal history as well as the history in each case and the underlying charges. Courts also considered the factors. Sir, if you do pose, you must submit to search and seizure, disclosure release terms upon contact with law enforcement. Do not use any unauthorized drug. Do not possess or maintain contact with your attorney. Obey all laws. Back to you.
Can I say something?
All right, can we go back on Avila, Mr. Morrison?
Yes, we're going to ask to be appointed, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, going back on the Juanita Avila matter, number 120 on calendar. Hello, Ms. Avila.
Now,
All right, public defender is requesting to be appointed. Is that just as to the matter ending in 738?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, public defender is appointed as to the matter ending in 738.
And we do accept that appointments will invoke all rights, reserve all motions, and are not guilty to the charge. Make a request for discovery. I don't know, Mr. I don't know if the people can hear me.
I can, Mr. Morrison.
I saw you sent some documents for her over, but can you send that or I just didn't see that, please?
Sorry, there was some yelling. I couldn't hear you.
Send over the police.
I believe I had, but I'll send it specifically to Mr. Morrison.
Thank you, Mr. Beasley. I got everything except the police report. Statutory dates, given that everything else has been resolved, support to OR. Ms. Avila with executive order is a sufficient, reasonable alternative to keeping her in custody.
All right. Is it about the allegations, please?
Yes, Your Honor. The victim, the defendant in this case was in an argument, ran to the kitchen, got a knife. The defendant didn't or use it, but then threatened the victim in this case. As for the battery, it was pushing, but she does go and grab a knife during the altercation. My main issue with her release, though, Your Honor, is she's got dating back 8 years. I know she just resolved. She's not going to court on this case, I don't believe, based on that.
All right. Evidence presented, the criminal history of the defendant, the nature of the charged offense, victim safety, and defendant's appearance in court can be assured without the setting of bail. By clear and convincing evidence, no non-financial or less release will achieve those goals. Court is going to set bail in the amount of $2,500. Yeah, and up here is a post-conviction order. Do we need a pre?
Your Honor, I don't know that I checked that box.
Okay.
Let me see what I sent the court.
Clerk, 157 or 167?
I think the one that I sent the court, although I can't find right now, didn't have any box checked. The only difference we would need to do is to have the open condition box checked.
Okay, so 4A. Okay, we'll check it for you. All right.
Thank you.
And then we'll go ahead and set dates. You're requesting statutory dates, Mr. Morrison?
Yes, please.
February 27th and Department N9, March 10th, and Department N4. Ma'am, if you do post bail, you are ordered to comply with the following terms and conditions. You must obey the disclosure release terms upon contact law enforcement. Stay away from and have no communication with the victim. Obey all laws. Maintain contact with your attorney. And you are ordered to appear at your next court date.
Your Honor, I don't know if the protection order desk is going to be concerned about the no dissuading witness. Sometimes that is checked. I requested to be checked, and I didn't get the jury trial date.
Box 12, no dissuading?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll check that box. I'm checking off the following box. This will dissuade any victim or witness from testifying or making a report to law enforcement. What was the other change you wanted to make?
Your Honor, I just didn't catch the jury trial date.
Oh, the date. Okay. That was March 10th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Abbey, good luck to you.
I'm noticing a bail review for that date.
Say well. Bail review, provisional bail.
Trying to figure out what.
All right, the next matter we're calling is number 191 on calendar. Rachel Rivera. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Is that your true and correct name?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
April 5th, 2000.
Thank you very much. On a warrant issue county. That is a felony warrant. It's the following charges: 245A, assault with a deadly weapon; 368, which is an elder abuse charge, and a 166C1B, which involves disobeying a court order. The warrant amount is $100. Post bail against that warrant. If you do, your bondsman will give you a date to appear in Placer County. If you cannot or do not post bond, they have 5 days starting tomorrow to pick you up, and you are earned a sentence. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I have a question. My bail is at $100,000.
Correct.
Is there any way I can lower it because I'm not possible?
I can't do that here.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
is on Zoom.
$153?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
on calendar is number 150 of Mr. Ophir Carlos Lagunas.
Give me just 1 second. Yeah, it's a okay. I just want to do business. Yeah, right here, Bill. Donuts. Hey, how you doing? What's call your case? A little bit, you can talk. Go ahead.
Oh, hi, Mr. Lagunas. Are you Mr. Ophir Carlos Lagunas?
Ma'am.
Thank you very much. Is your date of birth October 10th of 1990?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You're here on 2 felony charges from November 21, 20. Defender is appointed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Wayne Davis, Deputy Public Defender, will accept the appointment at this time and no felony complaint. Your Honor, there's out declared on my client on his probation case. He is mental status review tomorrow in Department C and transported down from Patton Hospital. We're requesting to declare a doubt in this matter and have the matter set for further proceedings in C-62 tomorrow.
All right. At this time, based on information presented, I will declare things are suspended. We will, for further proceedings, or do we just?
It's further proceedings
All right.
this time.
For further proceedings in Department C-62 tomorrow. Does anyone wish to be heard?
Submitted. Right now.
That bail. Give me just 1 second.
This occurred prior to his violation. In fact, it was like the day before the alleged, and then the adult was declared later on in his probation.
The court's going to set bail at this time, subject to additional bail review. So this will be secondly, but I'm going to 100,000 bail review. Mr. Day?
Already in C-62 for tomorrow.
Okay.
On probation violation for status review on his mental competence. Since they've already, yeah, so this can go to the jail also.
Including the bail. Okay.
Everything can go there.
All right. So we'll have a bail review tomorrow.
Your Honor, may I inquire, usually set for appointment of doctors, do they not set for that?
He's already had doctors appointed. He has been sent to Pratt, and he is coming back from that mental status review.
Further proceedings?
Yeah. Determining based on the evidence presented, criminal history, the defendant, nature of the charged offenses, public or victim safety, and defendant's superior court can, by clear and convincing or less restrictive conditions of pretrial release will achieve those goals. Court sets bail at the amount indicated. Mr. Lagunas, good luck to you, sir.
167.
I have money. Your Honor, we clear. All right. One.